in the question they have given VA. In the question they have given velocity of person A. We'll consider it as VA. This is person A, velocity of person A, and VB as person B, and VB as velocity of person B. They have also given the magnitude of relative velocity of B with respect to A is equal to x, and magnitude of velocity of person A with respect to B is y. So I am considering A is moving in positive x. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is minus negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. So I am considering person A is moving in positive x-axis. This is velocity of person A. So as both are moving in opposite direction, so person B has to move in negative x-axis. So we have to put a minus to velocity of person B. Now we are given that first we'll find velocity of person B with respect to A, that is VB minus VA. So as velocity of person B is in the opposite direction, so minus VB minus VA. We'll take minus common, minus VB plus VA. As this is this part is the direction, VB plus VA is the direction, and minus sign, VB plus VA is the magnitude, and minus sign indicates its direction. So we'll just take VB plus VA because we are given with the magnitude of velocity of person B with respect to A. So this is magnitude of we'll find the magnitude of person A. We'll find the velocity of we'll find the magnitude of velocity of person B with respect to A. That time it will not include minus sign because minus sign indicates its direction. So magnitude of velocity of person B. So magnitude of velocity of person B with respect to A is VB plus VA. Now we'll calculate velocity of person A with respect to B. This is VA minus VB. So VA minus of minus VB because VB is moving in the opposite direction. So this is VA plus VB. From this we are given that this is in the positive direction. So we can write plus VA plus VB. So from this if you take plus common, VA plus VB. So they have given magnitude of velocity of person A with respect to B is y. So this is the direction and this is the magnitude. So we'll take only the magnitude. So that is VA plus VB. So this is y. And velocity of person B with respect to A is x. So this is VB plus VA. Now we can see that velocity of x is VB. Now we can see that x is equal to y. Now we can see x is equal to y. So now you can see velocity of B with respect to A is equal to velocity of A with respect to B. So x is equal to y. So the option is C.